Hello everyone, it's Pam here from Tiger in the Kitchen. Today let's see another way to make Thai seafood dipping sauce which doesn't always have to dip with seafood. As you can see, I even dipped with pork and chicken. I used to make this sauce video before and was asked if I can make another one without fish sauce. So if you're allergic to shellfish or don't consume fish sauce for any reason, this recipe is the one you should try. Starting with ingredients. We need chilies. Can be either cayenne or bird's eye chilies, or you can mix both like me. Bird's eye for the sharpness of spice and cayenne gives more spice aroma. Both are pretty spicy, so use as much as you need. Garlic, coriander. I'm using a couple roots as well, but if you don't have the roots, just the stems and leaves are totally fine. Palm sugar. This one is soft, kind of like paste somehow. The very common type we use in Thailand. If you have the hard ones, like this, just slice thinly before using so it's dissolved easily. You can use brown sugar or syrup instead as well for a substitute. Then we need lime juice. Warm water. And salt. Alright, good to go. Let's do it. First, we're gonna put 1 tablespoon palm sugar. Then follow with 1/3 cup warm water to help dissolve the palm sugar. Keep stirring until it melts. Then 4 tablespoons lime juice. Two teaspoons of salt. A cup of coriander. 5 cloves garlic. And chilies as you like. All chilies you see is the amount I normally put, but if you are not so sure with the spice level, do this. Add a little bit first, and then blend, and then taste. You can always add more if it's not spicy enough. It's way more difficult trying to reduce the spice once added too much. And this way, you can separate portions if there are people with different spice levels. And here we go. Not so many red color, but do not underestimate its spice. And ready to serve. And I'm just gonna garnish with a little coriander leaf here, which doesn't make it look any different. Anyway, if you like this video, boop me a thumb up. I'd really appreciate that. Any question or request, you can always drop in the comment. Thank you very much for watching. Wish you lovely and relaxed days. See you again next recipes. สวัสดีค่ะ